Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you a simple way to change the brake pads on your car. Whether you're new to car maintenance or just want to know more about how your car works, this guide is for you. First, ensure your car is securely lifted on a jack stand. Safety first. Now, let's remove the wheel to access the brake assembly. Here's our brake caliper. We'll need to remove it to reach the brake pads. I'm using a socket wrench to remove these bolts right here. Now, you can see the old brake pads. To remove them, just slide them out. Take a look at how worn they are. This is why we're replacing them. Before we put in the new pads, let's compress the caliper piston with a C-clamp. This step is crucial to make room for the new, thicker pads. Time to insert the new brake pads. They just slide right in here. Next, we reattach the caliper and tighten the bolts back up. And that's pretty much it. Replace the wheel, lower your car, and you're good to go. Remember to pump the brake a few times to get the new pads set properly. Thanks for joining me today. If you need more detailed info or have any questions, keep an eye out for more videos. Until next time, keep learning and stay safe.